Every summer, high school students from around the world come together at NUS College to learn, connect, and grow. Over 1 week, participants get a rigorous simulation of university life with small class sizes and interdisciplinary group projects.
What do you think they can use that skill for?
The design challenge with my group was very unforgettable. So we had to brainstorm a smart solution under time pressure.
Participants explore their curiosity with exclusive guidance by world-class academics and mentors.
How can young people prepare for the future?
The facilitators, full-time NUS college students, make learning real, relatable, and fun.
Thinking with writing, and then for our making connections modules as well. So I think these modules are a really good representation of what NUSC offers students. My main hope is that participants are able to leave with a sense of curiosity for their future, for each other.
Trusted by families and organizations worldwide, NUS College sets the standard for meaningful global learning.
We have a really good team looking all over the world to provide the best opportunities for our students. Since your program is in line with what we do in Bahrain, I think it was a valuable opportunity to participate in this program.
Participants experience a safe and vibrant residential life with new friends and cultural respect.
The participants came from all sorts of countries, and their stories were really different and interesting. It was something really new to me, even as a Singaporean. I think it has a really good balance of what both academic life looks like, but also what the residential life looks like too.
For computing, I learned quite a lot, like how certain programs work.
I absolutely love my major tester classes in geography and philosophy because they taught me how to sort of think and ask curious questions on the spot. And if you want to see new career paths or experience a new exotic academic life, so I think that's NUSC Summer School is the right place.